Welcome to the TFSA page. In this video, we'll walk through adding all the details surrounding your TFSA account. Or if you don't have a TFSA but are eligible, what steps to take. If you do have a TFSA, simply select yes. Next, input the current total value of your TFSA accounts. If you have multiple TFSA accounts across multiple institutions, please combine their total value and input that here. Next, indicate what you've done with your TFSA so far this year. If you've made contributions, select contributed and input the value that you've contributed. If you've withdrawn from your TFSA account, select withdraw and input the value. Or if you've done both, you can select both and input the value. For those who have done nothing so far with their TFSA this year, just select neither. You then need to indicate if you have any unused contribution room available in your TFSA. If you do have any unused contribution room, whether it's for just this year or any previous years, select yes and input the value. You can also check your TFSA contribution room on the CRA website. And finally, indicate how you'd like to simulate your TFSA growing year over year. What's the rate of return you'd like to simulate? The default is 6%, however you can update it to any growth rate you'd like. Once all required fields are completed, select next or save to continue. Now for those who don't have a TFSA, please select no. Next, indicate whether you're eligible for TFSA or not. If you are eligible, select yes, and indicate the year that you became eligible for a TFSA. You then need to indicate if you've been eligible for TFSA contribution rooms from the year that you became eligible. If you have, select yes. It will then calculate how much contribution room you have available, and then input the growth rate you'd like to simulate for the analysis. If there were any years that you weren't eligible for TFSA contribution rooms, select no, and highlight what years you were out of country or not eligible for the TFSA contribution room. You can then select the growth rate you'd like to simulate for the analysis, and select next